Creating shared folder. So before we start from the step-by-step procedure, let me tell you the definition or meaning of a shared folder. So a shared folder is a directory on a computer or network that multiple users or devices can access to store, retrieve, or modify files. Shared folders are often used in collaborative environments to make files or data available to specific groups without the need to manually transfer files. So that's it. We're going to proceed now for the step by step. So let's start. Click the server. Then after that, there will under the server we're going to encode our password. So okay, let's type our passcode. Then after that, maglo-load siya. Then here we can now see our windows. Then let's cancel the thing that popped up on my screen. Okay, let's just refresh it. Refresh. Then we're going to click the Windows logo, dashboard. So we're going to the manage. So in this screen, you can see role-based automation, then click next. Then click next again. Then after we click the next, there are several roles that will pop up. So we're going to click the file and storage services. So let's okay, next. Then after that, we're going to cancel it. Then to the local server. Under the local server, we are now under the servers. We have our server name, and then after that, we need to click shares. So for the shares, then we're going to click. So under the share location, we're going to select the volume, then click next. Then after that, after we click the next, there will be a share name. So under that, we're going to type for example, this is our name, the team folder. Then we're going to put some descriptions too. So we're going to put a folder for collaboration. Then after none, we're going to check the local path to share. So it's okay if the folder doesn't exist, the folder is created. Then the remote path to share. So kailangan dapat ano siya dyan. So after none, click next. Then under none, and now we're in the permissions. We're going to click next, then to confirmation. So we are now on the confirmation. Then then create. Now we've created the folder. So now let's close it. Properties. So after none, under the properties we have 3, which is general, permissions, and settings. And then we are now going to the permissions. So let's customize permissions. So here is the screen for the properties. We're going to select a principal. We're going to select the object type. So we are going to uncheck the build securities, and we're just going to check the computers only. So enter the object name to select. So we're going to type client1. So check names, then it will change it and become caps lock. So we're going to check for the under the basic permissions. We're going to check all of it. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going to check all of it. Then we're going to apply. Then click OK. Okay, let's just adjust the screen. Okay, I'm going to adjust it. Adjust until we satisfied. Okay, now we are now have the share folders. Click shares, and we are now have our folder that we created, which is the team folder. So let's then next. So let's go to the files. Then in conclusion, creating a shared folder is a simple yet effective way to facilitate collaboration and streamline file sharing. By setting appropriate permissions and providing easy access, it ensures seamless communication and data management among users.